Sir, and this video is all about how you can able to create a support ticket. Before that, I would like to tell you 8 simplest and most powerful reason why you should have to create a support ticket. First one, you will get 100% surety about solution because whenever you are going to create a support ticket, you are getting absolutely perfect response. Second, most of time we have seen that while doing a communication, peoples will call us and will request for the certain critical information like a cpanel login details. Maybe they will ask for app code. So that is actually a problem because we cannot able to verify on the call. To verify it, we have a system. This is the system which you call domain racer dashboard. This dashboard is a most secure place. So only the person who purchase a service can able to log in into the system and create a support ticket. And that support tickets means you are the authorized person. So this is the second one. Third one, faster resolution with a high quality response. Yes, you will get a faster resolution because we do have a ticket and our personalized team members will get you solve this problem extremely simplest and fastest way. And fourth one is the same one, you will get a personalized support with the help of ticket. Okay, main part, this will avoid the confusion and the single member work on your ticket and will get solved 100%. And the fifth one is continuous performance improvement in your service because you had created support ticket. We do have a log of all of your previous problems, your suggestions, your request, so we can able to understand you better, and that understanding helping us to provide you a continuous improvisation in your service and will deliver you a best possible solutions. Sixth one, your expectations and conversations will be saved at our end. So you are actually been a very important for us. So whenever you will create a ticket, we do have a log, and that log helping us to understand you better, and that better understanding will create a strong bonding between you and domain racer, and that create a long term relationship between domain racer and our customers. And ultimately the seventh point is exactly same, we are trying our best to get maximum customer satisfaction, and that can be possible with this simplest mechanism. And lastly, that is for you, whenever you have a problem, just go and create a support ticket and just leave it. We are there to help you. Okay, we will do work for you. It is not necessary to monitor. You will get a notification on your mail, just check it, and if you have to communicate with the team, just reply via ticket. So now finally moving towards how you can able to create a support ticket. Okay, so for that, here there is an option called as open ticket. Once you are here, there are three departments: sales department, support department, and billing department. So categorize your request and contact the respective person or respective department to get the better solutions for your problem. If you have a problem related to a billing or invoice or a service costing, then contact a billing department. If you wanted to purchase a new thing, contact sales department. If you have any general queries about support, service, server, and whatever about the service, you just go and create a support to a support department. So this is extremely simple. Now in this case, you just have to click on support department. I would like to share you one more factor. Whenever you have a problem, let me tell you, we want your help. Without your help, we cannot able to help you to solve the problem. So please remember this. Whenever you have a problem, you should have to provide us a problem with a step by step where actually you are getting a problem, because we are running millions of websites and we cannot able to directly track your website errors. And to track that, we need your help, and that help you can able to do with very simplest format. You just have to make sure that while creating a support ticket, mention everything, all possible things, so our technical department can easily navigate through that problem and they can able to see that problem. So let me tell you one example. After logging into WordPress, if you are getting some error, so that time the person will contact us. So how you will contact? The process is very simple here. We are getting issue in WordPress. So in this case, the WordPress issue might be like plugin not working. Okay. Now we understood that you have a problem with WordPress and plugin is not working. But which plugin? We are not never knows, right? So you should have to help us to understand which plugin is not working. Because as a hosting provider, we can maintain your server, we can maintain your performance, we can maintain the server, all standards. But if you are getting any personal issue, that has to be communicated with us, and that is called as a support department, and we are doing a support for that only. So in this case, you had created a support subject. Now the message will be like, okay, so you have to mention that the login details for the WordPress are. So in this case, enter a URL. So in this case, let me try to give a URL like domainracer.com/wp admin. So we know that this is the URL for the login, and username will be admin and password will be like something you have typed here. So, and you have to provide this where exactly you are getting a problem. So in this case, the problem might be here. So like plugin abcxyz URL and .php. And what is the problem? So you just have to navigate like, so in this case, let's consider it plugin is not available. So this was the problem, it is showing on the screen. So you have to mention each and everything. So basically that information helping us a lot. This will save your as well as domain racer timing, because we will ask the same question again to you. Please provide your WordPress login details. So we can able to log in and check. Better you just provide at the first reply only. So you will get instant resolution to your problem. Next, now one more thing. If you think that this is not sufficient, you can able to add here a screenshots. Okay, so from here attach a screenshot, so we can able to see the virtually things that you had attached, and you will get 100% better resolution, and that we want our customer to be happy. So please make sure that whenever you have a problem, create a support ticket. Now the next part, when you do have a support ticket created, so how you can able to do a further communication? So in this case, under a support department, go to the ticket section. If you go to the ticket section, you can able to see a lot of tickets will be here. So in this case, if you have created this ticket, so you can able to click here and click on reply. So from here you can able to do a further communication about a ticket. So this is the standard method by which you can request your problem to a domain racer or your suggestion to a domain racer, and our technical department, sales department or billing department will help you personally. This is all about tickets. So basically you and domain racer can create a long-term relationship, and we need your help and you need our help. So basically we both can do a conversation in a very proper way and resolve each and every problem coming in our growth part. So welcome again to the domain racer, and we really appreciate that you joined domain racer to create a history. Thanks again.
Press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update.